How to make stickers with Cricut for beginners. Step 1. On your Cricut design space, click on Shapes and select Square. Step 2. Click on the lock icon to change the size of the square. Step 3. Change the width size to 6.75 and height to 9.25. Step 4. Click on the square under Operation to change the color. Step 5. Upload the sticker designs on the canvas. Step 6. Fit all the stickers inside the square. Step 7. On the Layers panel, scroll to Square. Step 8. Click on the eye icon to hide the square layer. Step 9. Select all the stickers. Step 10. Click on Attach. Step 11. Click on Make It. Step 12. Click on Continue. Step 13. Click on Send to Printer. Step 14. Turn on the Use System dialog box option. Step 15. Click on Print. Step 16. In the Print dialog box, make changes according to your needs. Step 17. Once changes are made, click on Print. Step 18. Once the design prints out, place it on the cutting mat. Step 19. Load the cutting mat for cutting. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.